Hi my dear students, today we are going to see certain topics in waste and byproduct utilization. So what I have planned is, this section will be devoted for the biological and BOD and also the COD. So that's very important properties, okay. So now we'll be seeing what is meant by BOD and DOD. So this biochemical oxygen demand, okay. What it is actually? This is the amount of dissolved oxygen which is being needed by the aerobic biological organisms in a body of water to break down the organic matter present in the given water sample. It will be depending upon a certain temperatures, etc. Okay, so actually it will be over a specific period of time. So this is actually the amount, it represents the amount of oxygen consumed by the bacteria and other microorganisms while they decomposes organic matter under aerobic model. Okay, so this is actually that we can say what it is, why it is important. So this indicates the amount of oxygen consumed by the microorganisms for the process of decomposition of the organic matter in the water bodies. Okay, so it also indicates the amount of organic pollution present in an aquatic ecosystem. So this also refers to the chemical procedures, etc. It's and again BOD values are normally expressed in milligrams of oxygen for the per liter of sample during 5 days of incubation at nearly 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. So next one is what do you mean by the chemical oxygen demand? So this chemical oxygen demand means you can say it is the amount of water required to degenerate or all the this is both are playing a major role. Okay, this has to be both has to be enhanced, both has to be measured. So this will be is an indicator measure of the amount of oxygen that can be consumed by the reactions in a measured solution. Okay, so that is actually, it's a test that is measuring the amount of oxygen required to chemically oxidize the organic material and inorganic nutrients. It can be like ammonia or nitrate which is being present in this water. So this will be also be expressed in milligram per liter and it will be represented at ppm. So what is the difference between BOD and COD? So BOD will be just a measurement of consumed oxygen which is required by aquatic organisms. The COD refers to the requirement of dissolved oxygen for the oxidation of organic and inorganic constituents both. So BOD is actually similar to COD, okay, but COD will be less specific since it's measured everything. But when you take it as BOD, it will be for this organic matter alone. So this is actually COD is less specific when compared with BOD. So the strong oxidizing agent potassium permanganate was being used for measuring this organic oxygen demand. Okay, so measurements we call it as oxygen consumed from permanganate, etc. Or it can be potassium permanganate's effectiveness can be was being in argument. Okay, potassium permanganate was not able to effectively oxidize all the organic matter. So what happens is we can't rely this oxidizing agent potassium permanganate as a effective agent for determining the COD. So we can measure it as calculations of COD will be 8000, that is divided by sample volume. So B will be into 8000 into B minus S into N. So B will be the volume of FAS used in the black sample, S is the volume of FAS and N is the normality. Okay, so the results we get is milligram per liter. So COT can also be estimated from the concentration of oxidizable compound in the sample based on the stoichiometric reactions with oxygen. It will yield COD, CO2, carbon dioxide also, and H2O and NH3. Okay, COD will be actually C will be divided by FW into RMO. C will be the concentration of oxidizable component. FW will be the formula weight of oxidizable component. RMO will be the moles of ratio of the moles, how much moles of oxygen to the moles of oxidizable component, etc. Okay, so that's we have to find this. That will be calculating our COD. So BOD will be actually by dilution method. We have it as DO minus D5 by P. I'll be saying what it is. So DO will be the dissolved oxygen and D5 is the DO of the diluted solution after 5 days of incubation period. So similarly BO is the DO of the diluted seed sample after preparation. So B5 will be the DO of again after 5 days incubation. So F will be the ratio of seed volumes, etc. Thank you for your patient listening. Bye.